Click on the link below to get price. The Cream Steel Gazebo with curtains, measuring 9.8 x 9.8 foot, is an impressive outdoor shelter that combines functionality with aesthetic appeal, making it a great addition to any backyard or patio. Assembling the gazebo can be somewhat challenging, especially if you're doing it solo, but with a second pair of hands, the process becomes significantly smoother. The instructions are fairly clear, but having a power drill on hand can speed up the assembly. Once set up, the gazebo stands sturdy, thanks to its robust steel frame. It's designed to withstand mild weather conditions, offering reliable shelter during sunny afternoons or light rain. The cream color is pleasing to the eye and blends well with various outdoor settings, creating an inviting atmosphere for gatherings or quiet relaxation. The 9.8 x 9.8 foot dimensions provide ample space for a small table and chairs, making it perfect for intimate dinners, coffee breaks, or even craft sessions outdoors. One of the standout features is the included curtains, which add an element of privacy and protection from the sun's harsh rays. They can be drawn to block out sunlight or pulled back to enjoy the view. The fabric is durable, though it is advisable to take them down in extreme weather conditions to prevent damage. Additionally, the curtains are easy to clean, which is a plus for maintaining the gazebo's appearance. While the gazebo does a commendable job of providing shade and shelter, its stability can be compromised in high winds if not anchored properly. It's advisable to secure it to the ground, either with stakes or weights, to ensure it withstands gusty conditions. Overall, the Cream Steel Gazebo with curtains is an excellent investment for anyone looking to enhance their outdoor space. It provides a perfect blend of style, practicality, and comfort, making it an ideal choice for backyard parties or quiet evenings under the stars.